So this is very professional electric scooter and electric bike manufacturers. Let me show you guys what's inside the electric bike and the electric scooter factory. Production capacity is around 400 pieces a day. So and there's one floor still empty. That means if we make a double production, capacity is about 800 pieces per day, right? Okay, let's check again the showroom here. Electric bikes and electric scooters. Electric scooter and electric bikes. So here is the restaurant. We just after meeting, we just come on lunch. So when you come in China to talk the business, so every factory, of course, before the lunch time, you just finish the meeting, you will get a really good lunch. Very good restaurant. This is something like a very traditional. Cantonese, the restaurant. The food is not spicy. This is a Chinese culture. So you come to China, so everybody will invite you to have a lunch together.